So let me ask you a question. What if you could leverage AI to create documents, presentations, and websites in a matter of seconds? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I've got an awesome video for you today. We're going to be looking at a tool called Gamma. So gamma.app is a tool that is powered by AI that allows you to create websites, presentations, and documents. And it has AI built into it. So things like design and copy and those types of things, it could actually write that for you and design images for you. So you don't have to be a designer or a coder or even, someone that is really proficient at building presentations or websites or documents, and this tool will help you crack it. So let's do a quick intro here. If I create a new task or a new document, I have an option here to either paste in text, like from notes or an outline or existing content, or I could create a one-line prompt, or I can import a file or a URL, right? So let's take a new document here, and let's say generate a presentation for a social media agency helping manufacturing clients, right? And I'm going to tell it I want a presentation. I'm going to hit continue. Then it's going to ask me a few settings, so do I want to generate more context? Do I want to preserve the existing ones? So I gave it very little, and I want there to be generated content. I'm going to say medium amount of content per card, and then it's already pulled through right for executives at manufacturing companies, the tone, and then the images. I can use either a web image search or I can use AI images. So in this case, I'm going to say cyberpunk neon colors, right? For those Americans out there, this is how we spell it in South Africa. So let's continue. Now it's going to ask which type of template we want to use. So I'm just going to choose this one. Looks good. And hitting generate. All right. And here it goes. So again, it will take all the existing data, elaborate on that, lay it out for me in a way that makes sense. Then it will also generate images for me. So if I go back here, you can see the neon colors coming through. And I mean, this is absolutely an amazing time saver. And I mean, just look at that. How good does that look? The amazing thing is that, like, even when you present it, it adds the animations for you. So if I scroll back to the top and I go present, it's still busy generating. But I mean, check that. How good is that? And that literally took me a few seconds. And all the images never existed up until this point. And you've got a presentation that's ready to go, right? So you could take this further and use a tool like GPT and get the prompt from there. So let's kind of see what that looks like with a little bit more prompting. So I think we said create a proposal for a social media agency that is pitching manufacturing clients, right? Give me details. Gamma as well into a new document, create new, create, yeah. So I'll just wait for this to finish. Okay, so now it's finished. I can copy and paste this over. Do this, introduction, copy, and then paste in here. And again, let's say instead of this time we're using a presentation, let's use a website. And we'll keep to that. We'll increase the card count. So cards are essentially sections. And then let's pick that theme, that's fine. And there you go. Now it's turned it into a website. Created these little icons for me. It's still updating, obviously. The insane thing is that you could modify each and every section using AI as well. So I could go, yeah, edit with AI, change the layout, add the image to the right instead of the left, right? And there you go. So let's hypothetically say I want to move things around as well. I don't have to do it myself. I can just say swap content strategy with target audience identification. So I want to swap these two around. And there you go. It's crazy easy to use. You could literally go from here and publish it to a site, your custom URL or whatever, and it would be ready to go. Anything inside here, if you wanted to add your own images, your own branding, you could do that. You could customize all the colors and fonts. So really such an incredible tool. And you know, I'm really looking forward to seeing more of these tools emerge. And I'll include a link for everything that I talk about in the comment section. So if you like this type of content and you want to see more of this, please consider subscribing. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.